Hey guys, J-Lums here. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing, but I'm wanting to do this for a long time now, just because of my current job and status on my belly, that I feel the need to do some physical activity, even as light as it may be. It's just a start, but I did some research and I wanted to get a treadmill for under the desk, but it's not really going to be under the desk, but it's going to be something related to that. So while I'm gaming, because I do put anywhere from like 6 to 8 hours on my days off at least in gaming, so I might as well use a couple of hours of those while on the treadmill. So to be honest, one of my main things is to play like basically controller based games like Street Fighter, for example, which I'm very competitive in at the moment, and be on the treadmill for a few hours. So get my steps in, get my cardio up, hopefully lose some belly fat and such. And yeah, so anyways, this is the Citysports fitness walker, model CSWP2. Basically, I believe the motor goes up to about 3.8 or 4 miles, which is a very brisk walk slash possible light jog. I wasn't intending for anything huge. I just need to get steps in, just burn some calories, get some little blood flowing, and do it while I'm having fun anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the unboxing. Just get these straps off. So it was relatively inexpensive. I did order from Amazon. Let's roll this up a little bit. The price of this guy was just over $300, but I think it was about $360 on sale. From the reviews I watched, it looks like there's no assembly. It's just basically the unit. Some of the reports has been said that the power cable is quite short. So you might have to use an extension cord depending where you place the unit. Comes with a manual and an Allen key. I believe this Allen key is to adjust the belt whenever it gets loose or if it needs adjustment. I'm not gonna lie, I also like the color of this. Apparently you can get different colors in this. I got the black and blue one, which looks cool in my mind. Here you can see my belly, and we'll see if that changes in the next couple of videos. Apparently this thing has speakers too, so you can actually connect your Bluetooth to it. That's pretty cool. I believe it also has a remote control to change the speeds and such. So here's the belt. Has a nice Citysports logo on there, which I think is kind of neat. Just adds to the aesthetics a little bit. I'll lay this down. In the bottom of the box, it comes with oil or fluid. This is to keep the bottom deck lubricated. That there. It's not overly big, which I like, and it's got a semi-wider belt path. because I've seen a lot of units where they're not the thickest, and I don't know if that, it doesn't seem like it would be actually pretty useful if it was very narrow, even though you don't need that much space. So that's how it looks right there. It's not too heavy. I think the total pounds is about 50 pounds. And here is the remote. You can see the light there. So it's got plus minus for, I'm assuming, the speeds, and then power button to turn it off and on, which is cool. The cable does not seem that short. I mean, that's about 6 foot, like an average power cable, so I don't think that's a big problem. I mean, just get an extension cord and you'll be fine. Honestly, in my opinion, it actually has a nice look to it. I rather like it much. Just take the camera off here. Show what this guy looks like. Controller's there, holder for the controller, power button, I don't know where that is. Uh-oh, I think I got a dent on mine. Because the guy just slammed it. I saw him when he dropped it. He like pretty much slammed it. Oh, the switch is down here. So the switch is underneath right there. Got some cool looking stuff there. Digital for, like, it probably tells you how many kilometers you walked, how many calories you burnt, etc, etc. So this is what it does when you power it on. It'll actually give you like a countdown before it starts, so you have a warning. And it starts at 0.6 speed. That's what it looks like there. And if you want to up the speed, I guess you can hold it down too. And I don't know if the audio does any justice, but I'm going to put it near so you can hear the motor. But it's actually a lot more silent than I expected. So far I'm very happy. Actually, I already did 30 minutes of walking today with this at like 2 kilometers, which is not too bad. This is at 3.8 kilometers an hour speed right now, and that's the top speed. Anyways, that's my unboxing. Please like and subscribe. I'll have a follow-up video for more on this treadmill.